Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small and mid-cap space at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great investments. Wednesday, September the 2nd, we're coming up to Labor Day. Nonetheless, I've got a bunch of great news for you from all sides of the border. Let's start you off first with what else? China, and specifically our friends over at China Advanced Construction Materials, better known as China ACM, trading on the OTC under CADC. This is a former AGORACOM client. Congratulations to them. They've announced that they're awarded 2 contracts totaling $3.9 million to provide concrete manufacturing services for 2 sections of the Jianghui Railway construction project. Upon completion, they're figuring that will cover approximately 185 kilometers. Going to be completed in 2012. Got a small quote here from the company's chairman and CEO. I took an excerpt out of a very long quote to put this into perspective. The amount of ready-mixed concrete that we will provide for these 2 sections alone totals approximately 400,000 cubic meters. This is even more important. We've now been awarded 11 of these railway projects, which we expect will generate over $30 million in revenue for the next 2 years with over 60% gross margins. The company closed yesterday at $4.70, just below its high of $5.52 for the 52 weeks, but way off its low of $1.01. So good news for our friends over at China ACM. Next up, Kratos Defense and Security Solutions. They trade on the NASDAQ under KTOS. They announced that they're awarded foreign military sales weapon systems tasks valued at about $4 million. Gotta like this. Got a small cap, getting a military contract in the multi-million-dollar range. It's a 12-month engineering assignment. Highlights, this is for continued support and sustainment of foreign military sales weapon systems. And this award brings the total funding of all tasks awarded to Kratos under a multi-year support task order to approximately $75.5 million. So this is repeat business, folks. That's really great news. The company provides mission-critical engineering, IT services, and warfighter solutions for the U.S. federal government and for state and local agencies. I gotta like that business. I like the results. They closed yesterday at 85 cents, not too far off their 52-week low of 58 cents. A significant drop off their high of $2.14. Go find out if that's simply a case of credit crisis around the world or if something else more important has happened there. Next up, Global Axcess trades on the OTC under GAXC. They announced a 5-year, $550,000 contract with annual contract with a regional convenience store chain for 52 additional ATMs. This is a regional convenience store in the southeastern United States for ATMs at 52 locations. They expect to begin delivering them in September of 2009, completing delivery in October 2009, but begin generating revenues as of this month, September 2009. This is a new customer. A little bit about the company. They provide turnkey ATM and other self-service kiosk management solutions. They currently own, manage, or operate more than 4,400 ATMs and other self-service kiosks in over 43 states. I like this business. A lot of variety there, a lot of depth of the business, a lot of diversification, 43 states. Looks like a good company. Must be spitting out good cash flow. You got to do your own due diligence. Closed yesterday at 89 cents, just below the 52-week high of 94 cents, and way off their low of 10 cents. So they've done some pretty good work over there, and that gives a market cap of just under $20 million by calculation. So you might have a nice company there to take a look at. Next up, Siga Technologies. They trade on the NASDAQ under SIGA. Siga, they announced that they received a $3 million research grant from the National Institute of Health. This is a phase 2 grant to continue exploring the use of ST-246R. Don't know what that is, but you'll get the gist. As an adjunct to the current smallpox vaccine for prevention of smallpox vaccine-related adverse events. That's what it's for. The company closed yesterday at $6.40, way off its 52-week low of $1.94, and just below its 52-week high of $8.88. Good news there. And finally, going over to Canada, Selkirk Metals trades on the Venture Exchange under SLK. They put out a 43-101 mineral resource estimate. This is for their Cat-Face copper project in British Columbia. Selkirk trades on the stock symbol SLK, if I didn't mention that. In the indicated column, looks like about 56.8 million tons of copper at a 0.4%, and the inferred side, 262 million tons and change at about 0.38%. The company closed yesterday at 14 cents. Pretty tight trading range, right dead smack in the middle, 3.5 cents on the low, 25 cents on the high for the last 52 weeks. But I like to see 43101s coming out of Canadian companies. And finally, got some stock halts for you. We've got Yukon Gold, trades on the stock symbol YK. They're halted, cease trade order. Take a look at that. That sounds a little strange. We know the guys over Yukon. Bling Capital Corp. This looks like a capital pool corporation, and they may be announcing their qualifying transaction. Go take a look at that. BLI.P. And another one of those is WCB Capital. Sorry, that Bling was halted. Company requested pending news. And WCB Capital also halted at the company's request pending news. Again, probably a capital pool corporation with its qualifying transaction. That's a wrap. A lot of great news, so I'm going to end it right there. Have a fantastic day. We'll see you tomorrow.